everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the September of 2023 Potomac beads. This is the Best Bead Box Treasure subscription. It's formerly the regular box. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month, the same product in multiple colorways. They also have at least 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. You can check out their YouTube channel. And their premium stash beads are things such as crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. It's a beginner-friendly box, and past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. The price is $39.99 monthly if you just want to do it per month. If you do it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you buy it annually, it's only $29.99 and saves $120 a year. I will leave a link below to their website for you to check this out. I've been having so much fun with these boxes. When they contacted me to start unboxing for them, I have been just having a blast. So here we are. Potomac beads, happy camper. Escape from the city lights and settle in beside our campfire. Scarlet and amber flames illuminate the dark woods around us, giving a slight glimpse of tall, dense foliage and mossy rocks beneath our feet. Allow the crackling fire to lull you into a perfect, peaceful state of mind as you explore the contents of your treasure box. So these are all the, oh, look at these colors. Oh, look at the colors this month. Oh, look at these. Ooh, we are going to have fun. Love me some Potomac beads. Oh, and look at the nice, oh, look at the lampwork beads. Oh, nothing cord brown. Oh, how pretty. Look at that color. Oh, knotting cord brown, nylon cord for macrame, knotting and crafting. I have been watching some really cool videos, so I know what I'm going to be doing with this. So let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the ceramic button. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. It's got like sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see that. There's sparkles in it. I don't know if I'm making it more blurry, bringing it up like this. Oh, it's very pretty. Go good with the knotting cord. I can't wait to work with that. Next are the metal beading frames in silver. They're like a little more done up on one side, so they are, oh no, they're not. They're two-sided. 2, 3, 4, 5. This will make, oh, there's a lot of possibilities with these. I love working with these. Very pretty. They're nice, sturdy. Next is this beading cord, Bead Tech knotting cord. So it's nylon cord for macrame, knotting, and crafting. 0.8 millimeter. Excited to work with this. Yeah, there's this right here. That's going to be a lot of fun. And next are the lampwork glass beads. Get this open. Oh, look how fun these are. These are fun. They got a little bit of dust on them, I think. Just wipe them down like that. Lampwork beads can be so much fun. You can use these. You can make like a focal point for a necklace, or, you know, they have, you can do earrings. This little one, it's kind of like a little Christmassy one. It's got a little bit of holly on it. Because we know Christmas is right around the corner. I can't believe it. We just ordered a Christmas tree because our Christmas tree broke last year. So after 16 years, though, it's time to get a new one. So I'm loving that. And then we're at the Czech glass flower cap beads. Oh, these are really pretty. And you know, one other thing I was saying in one of the other boxes I was unboxing, these can be used as bead caps too. If you have like a really pretty bead that you want to put like in between these and put it on the sides to emphasize it, because the color, you know, you have all of that color and texture on the sides and it look really pretty. You can use these for so many things. So we got those. Then we've got, oh, this is pretty. A Czech glass trapezoid pendant. Oh, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. And the hole is up at the top. Oh, it almost looks like when you do a dirty pour, when you do paintings. That's what that reminds me of. It gets those really cool colors on that. So pretty. And next is the Czech glass sitting cat bead. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at that little face, that kitty. And it's got a backside to it too. Oh, how cute. If you have a cat lover in your life. Oh, look at the little tail swirled. How cute is that? And next is the Czech glass sliced nugget beads. Oh, these are nice. They have a little bit of weight to them too. If you end up doing earrings with these, you shouldn't put any other heavy beads on there. You could do some lighter, you know, you could just make little dangle ones, and then you could do one as a focal point and do a necklace and earring set. Really pretty. It's got all the smokiness on the sides. Very pretty. Potomac Beads always does such a good job of putting these boxes together. Next is, I think that's what this is, Czech glass twisted oval beads. These are the only oval beads in here, so. And they're red and black swirl. So they have a really pretty, a lot of texture on them. Can't wait to work with these. And next, microfaceted rounds, 8mm. These are really pretty. Oh, and they're lightweight too. So that's nice if you may use them for earrings. Microfaceted seamless mirror round beads, 8mm, premium gunmetal plating, 8mm, pack of 10. These are disco balls. That's what I call them. They remind me of the ball in the middle of the discotheques up in the ceiling that would circulate as everybody was dancing. You could tell I'm a child of the 60s and 70s. Okay, now we're getting to the other side. These are the Potomac Crystal Bicones, 4mm. There's 2 packs. So I have topaz and garnet. Oh, look at this sparkle, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Love me a good sparkly bicone. Oh, wow, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This screams Christmas to me. Wow. Okay, and next is the Potomac Crystal Bicones 4mm in topaz. And more beautiful sparkle. Look at the cut is such a precise cut on the bead that's what creates all that sparkle. Wow, look at that. Oh. We are going to have a blast this month. So, gemstones, Soda Light, gemstone round beads, 4mm, and this is Soda Light. So pretty. It's like so many different colors of blue. And these you get a little bit of like a smoky gray, and then a little bit of a pastel blue. Nice long strand. We could do a 2-strand bracelet almost with these on my wrist. So we're gonna have a lot of fun this month. I hope you'll join me for some tutorials with these gorgeous beads. Bring your beads along. Next is the Czech glass design coin beads. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those, how pretty they are. They're tile cut on one side. The other side is a little softer. Look at that. Oh, I love these. Nah, well, some of them aren't. Oh, these are so pretty. 2, 3, 4. So pretty. And next is Czech glass faceted. Czech glass faceted round beads, 8mm. Now, I'm not sure. I'm just going to unbox these because I'm not sure which is which. These are the Tiger Blend. Look at how pretty these are. Like, oh my gosh. Like, can you even? Look at that. Our mailman just showed up. Look at how pretty these are. Oh, wow. Loving these. And next is the Czech glass smooth round dark topaz, 8mm. We got a couple different, this is the second 8mm one. Look how pretty these are. Look how, I mean, these are just gorgeous. They're perfect too. There's no flaws in them. Such well-made beads. And next is the Czech round beads opal bronze luster 6mm. There's just some of them. I'm not taking them all out. Look at these. These are pretty. Oh. Look at that. They got like the white and then some of AB. Opal bronze. So pretty. Bring these up. I don't want these to drop. Okay. And next is a Czech glass rounds light topaz. 4mm. So pretty. So nice. These colors look really good together. So excited for them. And then this is Czech glass tile beads in opaque sunflower. These are 9mm. We got these before from them, but they were a little greener. They were more of a light green, and they were bigger. Yeah, these are really pretty. Look at those. And I love the texture on these. You can imagine how much jewelry you can make. Even if you just buy this once a month for $39.99, you can make a lot of jewelry with this. And last but not least, the Czech glass cup button. So that's the back. And that's the front. So pretty. Well, I had a blast unboxing with these. Look, these are just, look at the shine in these. These are stunning, and I can't wait to work with the coin beads. I'm really excited, and to the knotting cord. We're gonna have a lot of fun. And this is so beautiful. I cannot wait. And the nuggets, I'm really excited. I really don't have a favorite out of this box because I'm loving my disco balls. I got a little bit of everything in here. So this is like a party in a box. So yeah, I will leave their link below to their website if you want to check them out. And I'll leave all the information below that I read out at the beginning too. I have that below. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I try and do like 4 or 5 videos a week, depending on the week, if I'm really busy or not. And sometimes if you're not in a creative flow, it's hard to do a video. So sometimes I get in these creative flows and I will shoot like 5 videos in one day. So, and I've been in a big creative flow, so I'm going to town right now. So, yeah, and you could follow me on my, my social media. I have my Etsy store, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest links below. And let me know down in the comments if you get the Potomac beads. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. You have a great day.